A very good evening, everyone. Welcome to the big special day of Ravini and Niroshan.
Describing Ravini in one sentence, I would say she is the perfect mix of all the right things. And Niroshan, you are the luckiest man today to call her yours.
I wish the two of you, from the bottom of my heart, an eternity of happiness and all of life's richest blessings. May all your dreams come true and have a wonderful life together.
In school, Ravini was this nerd kid with the top grades. She would always do her homework, make sure others do their homework, but would still have a laugh with the naughty kids in class and laugh out loud with the smallest, lamest joke. Also a bit of a tube light when it comes to dirty conversation. So Niroshan, good luck.
I've known Niroshan for about 11 years now, and he's asked me to talk about what a great guy he is. So I can honestly say that he's smart, handsome, brilliant, funny, caring, and... I can't read your handwriting. What's this last word? We met back in 2009 where we've attended university together, and he has been a very special to me ever since. He's a guy who uses his charm very intelligently to get things done exactly the way he wants to. And annoyingly enough, more often than not, it ends up being the right thing. And above all, he has ended up choosing the most wonderful bride who is sitting right beside him today.
So, talking about Ravini, the oldest memory I have of her is Uncle Nihal dropping Ravini to school in grade 1. So, Ravini had this big tummy and she wore the belt above her tummy, a slight resemblance of Jim Papa. And I remember that she always used to hold Uncle's hand, and I used to think, such a daddy's girl.
Lie awake at night and watch the stars. Now I know what they're shining for. My dear, for you.
I often think that Ravini makes Niroshan look good, which is a difficult task, I know. But she manages to do this by simply standing next to him. Ravini, I'd like to take this opportunity to say how beautiful you look today. And Niroshan, you're not too bad yourself. Good job.
I know, 'cause we are love,
Good evening and welcome you all. It's a great joy to see so many familiar faces, and thank you to our parents. Without you, we would not be here today standing next to each other.
The planets aligned for you, and I've known you since the dawn of time, with twin flames burning bright, and I can't believe that I finally found you here, 'cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun, lay here forever, you and I together. first day on Earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide.